Mercedes CL63 service and repairs. Mercedes-Benz, commonly referred to as just Mercedes, is a German luxury automotive marque. Mercedes-Benz and subsidiary Mercedes-Benz AG are headquartered in Stuttgart, Baden-Württemberg, Germany. Mercedes-Benz produces consumer luxury vehicles and commercial vehicles. The 2014 Mercedes-Benz CL63 AMG is a high-performance luxury coupe that combines the elegance of the CL class with the raw power of AMG performance engineering. As part of the AMG lineup, the CL63 offers exhilarating performance, advanced technology, and luxurious amenities. Here are some key features and specifications of the 2014 Mercedes-Benz CL63 AMG. Servicing your Mercedes-Benz CL63 AMG involves regular maintenance to ensure the vehicle's optimal performance, reliability, and longevity. Here are some general guidelines for Mercedes CL63 AMG service. Keep in mind that specific service requirements can vary based on factors such as the model year, mileage, and driving conditions. Always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for the manufacturer's recommended service intervals and specifications. Oil change. Regular oil changes are crucial to keep the high-performance engine properly lubricated. Mercedes-Benz typically recommends synthetic oil and oil changes every 7,500 to 10,000 miles. But check your owner's manual for the specific interval for your CL63 AMG. Tire rotation. Rotating tires helps ensure even wear and extends tire life. Mercedes-Benz may recommend tire rotation every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. Brake inspection. Regular brake inspections are essential for high-performance vehicles. Check the brake pads, rotors, and brake fluid during routine maintenance. Fluid checks. Regularly check and top off essential fluids such as engine oil, transmission fluid, brake fluid, power steering fluid, and coolant. Air filter replacement. The engine air filters should be inspected regularly and replaced as needed to maintain optimal engine performance. Battery inspection. Check the battery for corrosion and secure connections. Replace the battery if it is older or showing signs of weakness. Alignment check. If you notice uneven tire wear or the vehicle pulling to one side, it may be time for a wheel alignment. Spark plug replacement. Check your owner's manual for the recommended interval for spark plug replacement. Worn spark plugs can affect engine performance. Inspection of belts and hoses. Regularly inspect belts and hoses for signs of wear or damage and replace them as needed. Cooling system maintenance. Ensure the proper functioning of the cooling system by checking coolant levels and performing a cooling system flush if recommended by the manufacturer. Transmission service. Depending on your CL63 AMG's model year and transmission type, there may be a recommended interval for transmission fluid changes or flushes. For more accurate and model-specific information, it's recommended to consult your Mercedes-Benz CL63 AMG owner's manual or contact your local Mercedes-Benz dealership. They can provide you with the specific maintenance schedule and address any model-specific service requirements.